This time of year, many of us experience the problem when our lawn sprayer will not spray. It gets clogged up over time, and this video will show you how to fix your problem. It all starts here with the sprayer itself, this little lever that turns the sprayer on and off. All of this stuff was found inside my sprayer nozzle. Actually, not the nozzle, the on-off switch where the handle turns it on and off. And you can see all this stuff right here is just crap that was plugging it up, making it just dribble instead of spray. All this foreign debris was found down here inside this sprayer. The water from the hose comes in here, it comes up through this circular hole, goes down through these slots and back out to the other side. This slotted area is what was full of all the debris. To remove the debris from this valve, first you have to remove the valve handle. Notice there's two pins, one on each side. You simply take a flat screwdriver and pry the handle a little bit until the pins pop out. Then the handle slides towards the hose as you remove it. Next, we want to remove the actual valve body itself, shown right here. And to do that, the next picture shows how. Here's a picture of the valve assembly being removed. It's got 4 slots on the end of it. You simply stick needle nose pliers in 2 of these slots and you rotate it counterclockwise to remove the valve assembly from the sprayer handle. Once you remove the valve body, the spring-loaded valve body, you also find this flat washer down still inside the handle assembly. When you remove this washer, then you can see the actual slots that were talked about earlier. Once you have removed the debris from the valve handle assembly, then this washer goes back in first. Make sure to observe the polarity. You'll see there's a spring mark on one side and there's the ring around the hole mark on the other side. Make sure you put it back in the way it came out. Ensure a good seal. Now screw the valve body back into the handle and then snap the lever back in place, and the reassembly is now finished. And last but not least, you may want to disassemble the actual spray pattern tip on the end of the nozzle and make sure there's no debris in it. And now your sprayer should give you good service with the proper spray pattern.